Technology is not complicated. It is not explained properly. Hi, my name is Sai. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Decoding with Sai. Here, I will be explaining each day one unique topic that you have not understand properly. The topic that I will explain today is cloud computing. When we hear the word cloud, we may imagine something floating in the sky. But in technology, cloud is not actually in the sky. The cloud means powerful computers connected through the internet. These computers are called servers. They are kept inside large buildings called as data centers. When you upload a file, send an email, or watch a video online, your data is going to the real machines. It is not magic, it is the real computers working behind the scenes. The word cloud is just a simple name for using these remote computers to the internet. What is a server? Server is a powerful computer that gives services to the other devices. Your phone, your laptop, your gaming console, tablet, anything which can connect to a server with the help of internet. For example, when you open an app, you may ask the server, please show me the messages. When you play a video, your device may ask, please send this movie. When you upload a photo, your device may ask, please save this file. The server receives the request and then it processes the request. After that, it sends the result back to your device. It's a basic request and response mechanism. After that, it sends the result back to a device. So a server is like a helper computer to the internet. It receives requests and gives responses. Now let's understand what a data center is. Imagine one server. Then imagine thousands of servers placed together in one huge building. As you can see in this visual, this whole is just one data center. It has a lot of different mechanisms, different computers and different types of architecture to support all the servers in just one location. It has server racks, it has storage, it has cooling systems, it has batteries, it has power distribution, fiber optic cables, electricity generators, backup system, ventilation fans, mm, rooftop units, cold air supply, internet connectivity, and network infrastructure such as routers and switches. Why does it need cooling? Because thousands of servers works continuously and produce heat. Why does it need backup power? Because online services should continue working even if there is a power issue. When people say the data is stored in the cloud, it usually means the data is stored in a server inside data center. So the cloud is not just one single computer. It is a large network of data centers connected through the internet. Now let us understand what renting computing power instead of owning everything means. Imagine you are cooking a food at home. If you are cooking for 1 or 2 people, your home kitchen is enough. But if you are suddenly cooking for 10,000 people, your home kitchen would not be enough. So you will need a bigger kitchen, more gas stoves. Overall, everything buying for just one occasion would be very expensive. So instead, you can rent a professional kitchen only when you need it. Cloud computing works in the similar way. A company does not need to buy the thousands of servers. It can rent storage, computing power, and software services from the cloud. When the company needs more resources, it can use more. When it needs less, it can reduce usage. This is one of the biggest reasons companies use cloud computing. Let us understand with a very easy example. One of the easiest ways to understand cloud computing is cloud storage. Knowingly or unknowingly, indirectly we have used this type of storage. You take a photo from your smartphone, that photo is stored in the cloud. The photo travels through the internet, it reaches the server inside the data center. The cloud system stores your photo there. Later, when you open your laptop, log into the same account, your laptop asks the cloud server for that photo. The server sends the photo back to your laptop. That is why the same file can appear on your laptop, phone, and tablet. Your data is not locked inside one device. It is stored online, so you can access it from different devices. This is how services like online file storage and email storage work. Now let us understand what is scaling. Scaling means increasing or decreasing computer resources based on demand. Imagine a mobile application has only few users in the morning. The traffic is low and only one server is needed. Suddenly, at the time there is a big sale going on, live event or a festival, millions of users may open the server or application at the same time. If the app has few servers, it may become slow or crash. Cloud computing solves this problem. When traffic increases, more servers can be added. When traffic decreases, servers can be reduced. This is called scaling. If a simple game, let me give you a simple example. For online gaming, if players join at the same time, the game needs more server power. A cloud system helps manage that extra demand. This helps this makes applications faster, smoother, and more reliable for users. Another important issue of cloud computing is backup. Backup means keeping an extra copy of your data for safety. Imagine your phone has damaged or lost. If your phone contacts and files are stored only on that phone, you may lose them. But if your phone data is backed up to the cloud, you can restore it on a new phone. The cloud keeps a copy of your important data, so even if your device fails, your data can be recovered. Companies also use cloud backup. They back up customer records, application data, payment details, and business files. This helps them recover from mistakes, hardware failures, or unexpected problems. Backup is one of the reasons cloud computing is so useful. It protects data and helps people continue their work. So let us connect everything together. Cloud computing means using of servers, storage, computing power, and software through the internet. When you use online storage, your files are stored in the cloud. When you use email, your messages are stored in the cloud. When you stream a movie, cloud systems help deliver that video into your device. When you play online games, cloud servers help connect players and store progress. When you see mobile applications, many tasks happen in the cloud behind the scenes. Your device shows the app, but the cloud often does the heavy work. Companies using cloud computing because it saves cost, supports growth, improves backup, and makes services available from anywhere. The cloud is not a mystery, it is a real computing infrastructure working silently in the background. Remember, cloud is not the sky that we see every day, but it's a real technology that powers the most apps we use every day. Thank you.